right. Peace.
What's going on, guys? We're here at Koko Crater. We are about to do this hike. It's about 1,000 steps, and last time we did it in 17 minutes. So today we're gonna shoot for 15. I think we got it. So
let's do it.
Let's do it. We're about 3 minutes in. I'm definitely feeling it. Mark, you feeling it?
I'm feeling it, man.
Did it. 15 minutes. Mark, how you feeling?
Yeah.
We're
We
dead.
made it.
We're
I
dead.
think we made it too early.
What's going on, guys? We just made it to the top. It took us about 14 to 15 minutes. What do you think?
14 to the stairs and 15 to the very top, all the way up there. But you know what? We'll leave it up to you. So why don't you let us know in the comments which one is the official time? We got some cool content lined up for you. We're excited to show you some more stuff, so stay tuned.
What's going on, everyone? We just finished up the hike here at Koko Crater. I think the boys are down for a quick sunset surfing or bodyboarding session. What do you guys think? Yeah, we're ready to go to Makapu'u and do some body surfing. We got the boogie boards over here, so let's end it.
Perfect. We'll see you guys out there.
What's up, guys? We just got to Makapu'u. Here the beach looks pretty nice. Look at this. That hike was actually pretty hard, so we're gonna relax a little bit, do some boogie boarding and some bodyboarding, and it's gonna be fun. And you know, one of the sickest parts about living in Hawaii is that the workday ends a little earlier. So, you know, 3-4 p.m. you can go to the beach. You don't have to make a day out of it. You can just go relax right after. There's beach everywhere. Obviously it's an island, so we're gonna do some relaxing, and yeah, it looks like the waves are breaking pretty well, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Look at that. I'm going.
All right, what's up, everyone? We just got to Makapu'u. The waves are firing right now, absolutely huge. I think Fede and I are gonna try to get barreled. We're gonna take the boogie boards out there. Hopefully we can get the job done. We'll see you out there.
First wave got wrecked in half. Look at this, wrecked. Huge waves.
Alright, that wraps up today's vlog. Thanks for checking out our channel. We definitely had a great day with you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like our video. Follow us on Instagram for the next one. We got a car restoration video coming up next, and we're really excited to share that with you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.